In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cassie!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back and you're ready for another DIY project. So today's project, I'm going to be using a dollar store pencil case to be DIYing a really cute party or going out clutch. It's going to be a fringe clutch that is really cute, and it's like a box clutch. You can open it, store all of your items in it, and it looks really high end. So if you want to see how I was able to create this look, then let's go ahead and let's get right started. So to start this clutch, I'm using a pencil case from the dollar store, and I'm adding a line of glue to start off the clutch, and then I'm just basically using this brush to brush it, but that's really not necessary. I didn't use it for the rest of the project. And then I'm just starting to add a line of the fringe to the top portion of what's going to be the clutch. So I'm just following the same process up the entire front of what I'm going to use as the front side of the clutch. And so I'm just adding rows of glue, and then I'm just cutting off the excess, and then making sure that it's adhering well and making sure that none of the fringe gets stuck to the glue, and then moving on to the next row. As I add the rows of the fringe, I'm just eyeballing it and just making sure that I have enough space in between each row, and just making sure that it looks full enough and you also are not able to see the case. After I completely added fringe to one side, then I allowed it to dry, and then I flipped it over on the other side and started to add the fringe following the same process that I did for the front. I'm determined to get the rest of this project done with the last part of this glue that's left in this tube. And also you want to make sure that I had to make an adjustment here is that you don't want to glue where the case actually closes so that it can still function properly. So you just want to make sure that you avoid putting glue and putting fringe there so that you can still open and close the clutch. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.